Here's Jeannie in her crib.
She's got the hiccups.
She has the hiccups. Say hi, Jeannie.
But she really likes her cow.
Say hi. Oh, what do you think? Hiccup, hiccup.
No more hiccups. Whoa. Music?
You're in one of your duck outfits, aren't you?
This is your nice duck sleeper. You love it.
It's a big sack. You can kick around.
Yep. Even though it's 0 to 9 months, you're a problem.
Your arms on. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you.
Bless you.
Oh, God bless you.
Ha ha. You think that's funny?
Oh, hi, Angel.
What are we going to do this afternoon, Jeannie Bean? You're going to go for a nap, and Dad's going to shower, and Mom's going to fix some lunch, and then we're going to give you a bath.
That's right.
Well, you'll probably eat first, then we'll give you a bath.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's like fascinated by this.
You like your cow?
I think it's the black and white. She can see the black and white. Here,
Hi, Jean.
Look up. Look up.
All right, Jeannie, say goodbye. Bye-bye.